Welcome all to my YouTube channel Shweta Gupta Chemistry Classes. As in class 12th, we are doing the second chapter solutions. So children, in that we'll be studying today the topic azeotropes. Very important from point of your board exam. You can, if you have seen the previous year papers, in that also question from this comes azeotropes. Very important, very important from point of your board exam. Azeotropes are also known as constant boiling mixtures, that is, which boils at a constant temperature. Which boils at a constant temperature are azeotropes. Now, children, as we all know, we are studying about liquid mixtures. So, if you take a binary mixture, that is liquid mixture, having binary mixture, you all know children, solute and solvent only, 1 plus 1 2. So if you take a binary mixture, then that binary mixture is having a same composition in liquid and vapor phase. अगर वो mixture जो binary mixture आपने लिया है उसकी same composition होती है liquid और vapor phase में, and they boil at a constant temperature, and if they boil at a constant temperature, then those are known as azeotropic mixtures or azeotropes. That is binary mixture. What are azeotropes? They are binary mixtures which have same composition, जो same, जिनकी composition same रहती है in liquid and vapor phase. Liquid phase में भी और vapor phase में भी same composition रहती है, and which boils at a constant temperature, and they boil at a constant temperature. Therefore, they are known as constant boiling mixtures. They boil at a fixed temperature. They start boiling at a fixed temperature, are called azeotropic mixtures or azeotropes. Now children, if you want to separate these two components, then they cannot be separated by fractional distillation. If you want to separate the solute and solvent by fractional distillation also, you will not be able to separate them by fractional distillation. Now, two things I have told. Definition: binary mixtures having same composition in liquid and vapor phase, boil at constant temperature, cannot be separated by fractional distillation. These are the properties by which you can say that these are azeotrope. This binary mixture is a azeotrope. Now, azeotropes are of two types. First one is minimum boiling azeotropes, and children, second one is maximum boiling azeotrope. Now the term minimum boiling azeotrope indicates that minimum boiling point. मैंने आपको बार बार बताया है, whenever you first go to the term, what the term is, it is minimum boiling azeotrope. So children, it is very clear these binary solution will have a minimum boiling point. मतलब जो बहुत जल्दी boil हो जाते हैं, boil जो जल्दी हो जाते हैं, they are minimum boiling azeotropes, and maximum boiling azeotrope which have a big or large boiling point. The value of boiling point is very high. That is, the temperature you need to boil that mixture is very high, and here the temperature you need to boil the mixture is very low. Therefore it is minimum boiling point. बेटा कोई भी चीज, children, कोई भी mixture जल्दी boil कब होता है? When the intermolecular forces of attraction between the particles are very less. When the intermolecular force of attraction between the particles are very less, then the bond between the particles break, and they start boiling and they start converting into vapors. So in which, if you see according to Raoult's law, you know the mixture showing large positive deviation from Raoult's law will form more vapors. So large positive, so minimum boiling azeotropes will show large positive deviation from Raoult's law. You know, the one which were showing large positive deviation from Raoult's law, in that the force of attraction between AB was less, children, was less, and So the bond breaks, more vapor is formed, and more is the vapor pressure. This we have already done. So you should know how to connect what you have studied earlier. So minimum boiling azeotrope, the one having minimum boiling point, one having weak force of attraction. So the one having weak force of attraction, bond between the solute solvent breaks easily and they convert into vapors, thus showing large positive deviation from Raoult's law. Now children, this occurs at a fixed composition. If at an intermediate composition, the vapor pressure of such a solution will be highest, means most matlab large number of vapors are formed. So more the vapors formed, more the vapor pressure. जितने ज़्यादा बेटा vapors form होंगे, more will be the vapor pressure. And more easily the bond is broken, it means it start boiling at a low temperature. So the boiling point will be lowest. So minimum boiling point will show large positive deviation from Raoult's law. Vapor pressure will be highest, boiling point will be lowest. An example is ethanol water mixture. If you add ethanol to water, then you get a solution. Then in fractional distillation, it gives a solution containing 95% volume of ethanol. Fractional distillation per, they will give 95% of ethanol. That is, and after you got this 95% of ethanol on fractional distillation, and on achieving this percent volume of ethanol, you cannot further separate this mixture. That is, after achieving this composition, no further separation occurs as liquid and vapor have same composition. Children, the main reason why they cannot be separated is that they have same composition at liquid and vapor phases. अगर किसी की भी लिक्विड और वेपर फेज में सेम कॉम्पोजिशन आ जाती है तो उसके बाद आप उस मिक्सचर को सेपरेट नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो इतना परसेंट वॉल्यूम ऑफ इथेनॉल आने के बाद यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू सेपरेट दोज mixture because they will have at this volume liquid and vapor phase, they will have same composition. Next one is maximum boiling azeotrope. Just reverse of that, they will show negative deviation from Raoult's law. That is, the bond between solute and solvent is strong. It cannot be broken easily. So if it cannot be broken easily, less vapors are formed, vapor pressure will be less, and the temperature at which they will start boiling, children, that boiling point will be very high. That is, the temperature at which they will boil will be high because the bond is strong. So whenever such condition is seen, negative deviation from Raoult's law is seen. So they will show negative deviation from Raoult's law. Vapor pressure will be less and boiling point will be maximum, will be high. Example is nitric acid on mixing with water. In this, they will have 68% of nitric acid and children 32% of water by mass. In this mixture, 68% of nitric acid will be there and 32% of water by mass, and the boiling point will be 393.5 K. So I just hope this topic is clear. You all take care. Thank you and have a nice day.